How to fix Instagram suspended account and how to recover it. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open after that, you will see a bunch of options. Among them, what you will have to do is tap on looking for something else or simply select I can't log in. Now tap on recover your Instagram password or if your problem is something else, simply select your problem and then there will be a solution to any of your problem. So if you forgot your password, tap on it or if you are suspended from your account, simply search for account suspension. You will get few articles and as well as some help over here. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.